Have you ever dropped tens of thousands on a car, only for it to crumble before 100,000 miles? Some brands look flashy, sound powerful, and promise reliability. But in reality, they drain your wallet, stress you out, and leave you stranded. Today, we're counting down the 13 worst car brands you should never buy. From luxury nightmares to once respected names that fell from grace, these are cars that punish their owners. Stick around, because number 1 might shock you. 13. Nissan. Once hailed as a dependable Japanese brand, Nissan's decline began after merging with Renault. Their CVT transmissions are infamous, prone to overheating, slipping, and complete failure, often well before 100,000 miles. Replacing a CVT can cost $4,000 to $5,000, and Nissan hasn't fixed the underlying issues. Then there's the QR25DE engine disaster. Pre-cat components disintegrate, debris flows back, and the engine destroys itself. From Sentras to Altimas, Nissan models suffer oil leaks, high oil consumption, rust, and endless recalls. Consumer Reports ranks them dead last among Japanese brands. Cost-cutting and cheap materials made them fragile, and while loyalists insist that constant maintenance helps, who really wants a car that punishes you for driving? 12. Land Rover. Land Rover promises luxury and power, but it comes with a heavy maintenance burden. Air suspensions sag, electrics glitch, and sunroofs leak, often leaving owners frustrated. Brake pads and tires vanish every 15,000 miles. Premium wear for a premium wallet. Used models are risky unless they come with spotless service records, and mechanics dread seeing them. While they ride like a dream and deliver 8-hour road trips in comfort, every mile is expensive. The Range Rover experience isn't just about fun, it's about whether your bank account can survive the adventure. Luxury status doesn't offset constant repairs. 11. BMW. BMWs deliver addictive driving experiences, but the cost of ownership can induce panic. Electronics are delicate, and even simple repairs like a battery replacement can trigger a cascade of system errors requiring reprogramming. Torque converters, hydraulic pumps, and other components are often replaced as whole units, with dealer parts running $2,000 and labor $1,500 or more. Essentially, these cars are rolling circuit boards, and any fault can escalate quickly. Fires on the side of the road aren't unheard of. If you crave the drive, BMWs deliver, but be prepared for emotional and financial stress. 10. Mercedes-Benz. Mercedes builds a reputation on engineering excellence, but complexity often backfires. Overbuilt components, from hood hinges to fan clutches, still fail, and emissions-related upgrades have historically caused reliability nightmares. Electronics and climate control systems are prone to glitches, and models like the W140 are infamous for rewiring nightmares. Repairs are frequent and expensive, making ownership a premium subscription to chaos. While Mercedes led in safety and innovation, simpler rivals like Lexus outshine them in dependability. Only those who enjoy paying for constant maintenance should consider one. 9. General Motors. GM has a long history of producing cars, but longevity isn't their strong suit. Cheap interiors, early rust, and rushed engineering have left a trail of disappointed owners. Driveshaft vibrations, engine failures, and weak transmissions are common. Their development cycle prioritizes speed over refinement, leading to recalls and breakdowns. The 2014 ignition switch scandal highlights the consequences of cutting corners. Customer support remains inconsistent, and GM's habit of overcomplicating vehicles makes ownership frustrating. Millions of units sold, yet many fail prematurely, turning buyers into reluctant participants in ongoing repairs. 8. Jeep. Jeep's rugged off-road image masks real-world reliability problems. Electronic gremlins, short-lived parts, and frequent breakdowns plague many models. Wranglers may hold resale value, but that doesn't protect owners from rough rides, poor mileage, and constant trips to the shop. Promises of freedom and grit are often unmet unless owners invest in significant upgrades. Out of the box, most Jeeps are more project than vehicle. Unless you love tinkering every weekend, a Jeep is a fantasy of adventure that can quickly turn into a costly reality check. 7. Jaguar. Jaguar once offered elegance and performance at a fraction of a Rolls-Royce price, but mergers with British Leyland introduced cut corners and poor reliability. Classic models like the Series 2, XJ, and XJS suffered leaky engines and failing electrics. Even modern Jaguars remain tied to central computers, meaning one fault can halt multiple systems. Repairs are punishingly expensive, and labor costs are astronomical. Jaguar's combination of sleek design and tech-heavy systems continues to impress visually, but for owners, warning lights often follow. Beauty comes at a cost that few wallets can handle. 6. Chrysler. Chrysler is synonymous with cheap materials and poor design. Interiors feel fragile, buttons break, and panels rattle from day one. Modern models like the Pacifica Hybrid have faced battery fires and transmission failures. Recalls remain frequent, and even new vehicles can stall, fail to shift, or lock brakes unexpectedly. Improvement has been slow and incremental at best. Chrysler consistently prioritizes style over substance, teaching buyers that short-term affordability often leads to long-term headaches. This brand refuses to evolve meaningfully. 5. Volkswagen. VW sits just below Audi and Mercedes in reliability, but it's far from worry-free. Electrical failures, glitchy infotainment, and unexplained mechanical issues frustrate owners after 100,000 miles. Consumer Reports rates new models below average, and older vehicles demand preventative care that many buyers underestimate. Some repairs, like fixing a Touareg VI 10 TDI, require full drivetrain removal. A costly nightmare. VW ownership demands constant attention, DIY knowledge, and access to specialized mechanics. The charm of German engineering comes with relentless upkeep obligations. 4. Volvo. Volvo's reputation for safety and Scandinavian design doesn't guarantee reliability. Recent models like the XC40, XC60, and XC90 face electrical failures, climate control malfunctions, and brake assist software bugs. Owners must spend roughly $769 annually on maintenance, totaling over $13,500 in a decade. While they turn heads with design, Volvo vehicles are delicate, demanding, and just one glitch away from costly repairs. Reliability struggles turn everyday ownership into a financial balancing act. 3. Mitsubishi. Mitsubishi once promised innovation and affordability, but the brand now feels frozen in time. Infotainment systems are basic, interiors dated, and performance underwhelming. Long-term reliability remains uncertain, and the lineup is thin. U.S. sales reflect this decline, dropping from 345,915 units in their peak year to just 53,988 in 2009. Mitsubishi's lack of innovation, shrinking market presence, and uninspiring designs make it a weak choice for modern buyers seeking value, performance, and dependability. 2. Fiat. Fiat may charm with Italian styling, but reliability is a nightmare. Frequent engine failures, transmission problems, and electrical issues plague vehicles like the 500e. Poor build quality transforms cosmetic flaws into mechanical headaches, and recalls are common. Owners report suspension issues, clunky rides, and unexpected failures. Average annual repair costs hover around $538, making Fiat more expensive than its initial bargain suggests. Fun is short-lived, and peace of mind comes at a steep price. 1. Tesla. Tesla leads the EV revolution, but reliability remains a major issue. Consumer Reports ranks it 19th, citing panel gaps, screen failures, battery issues, and software malfunctions. Electronics control doors, brakes, climate, and steering, meaning a single failure can render the car undrivable. Repairs out of warranty are costly, often exceeding $1,500, with over 46,000 recalls. Questionable visibility, and daily software drama, Tesla owners endure a constant cycle of repair and frustration. The promise of futuristic driving often collapses into real-world inconvenience and high expenses. Tesla might lead the electric vehicle revolution, but when it comes to reliability, the story is far less impressive. Consumer Reports ranks Tesla near the bottom, citing constant issues with panel gaps, screen failures, and software glitches. Almost every system in a Tesla, from the doors and brakes to the steering and climate control, depends entirely on electronics, meaning that a single malfunction can leave the car completely undrivable. Those are the 13 worst car brands to buy. Vehicles that drain your wallet, punish your patience, and leave owners frustrated. But what if you could drive something dependable, stress-free, and built to last? In our next video, we'll reveal 17 cars that rarely break down, models so reliable that mechanics barely ever see them in the shop. Don't miss it, because these are the cars every smart buyer dreams about owning.